When did you last really think about your tires? Not just kick them in the parking lot, but actually wonder if they're keeping you safe. Over 33,000 tire crashes happen every year, and most come down to one thing: brand. Today I'm ranking the 11 best tire brands and exposing 3 that could genuinely get you killed. Stay with me. Number 11 kicks things off with a brand that most people walk right past in the tire shop without a second thought, and that is exactly the mistake Falken was built to make you regret. Created by Sumitomo with one clear mission, Falken was designed to make premium brands nervous. Think about what Lexus did to the luxury car world, how Toyota built a brand specifically engineered to compete with and beat names that Toyota itself could not touch directly. Falken is that same story in rubber form. Their silica-enriched compound grips confidently whether the road is baking dry in August or completely soaked in a midnight rainstorm. Their three-dimensional canyon sipe tread pattern sounds like engineering jargon until you drive on snow and ice and realize your tires are finding grip that dedicated winter tires struggle to match. Falken also built noise-canceling technology directly into the tire construction, not as an upgrade, not as a premium feature, just as a standard expectation because they believe performance and comfort should never be a choice you have to make. What genuinely earned my respect for Falken is their heat diffuser technology. Picture yourself on a long summer highway run, asphalt shimmering with heat, doing 70 miles per hour, and inside your tire friction is building temperatures capable of boiling water. That heat buildup is one of the primary causes of sudden blowouts, and most tire companies simply engineer their rubber to survive it and hope for the best. Falken engineered an active solution that manages and disperses that heat before it ever becomes a problem. Porsche chose Falken for the Mekong. Jeep chose them for the Gladiator. Brands that cannot afford to be wrong chose Falken. The price runs higher than average, but tread life warranties and long-term durability make the investment genuinely worthwhile. Number 10 is where we talk about something that matters to most of us more than exotic engineering. Real value for real money. Cooper Tires from Ohio has been quietly outperforming its price tag for years, which is exactly why Goodyear spent serious money acquiring them in 2021. When one of the biggest tire companies on earth buys you because they want your technology, that tells you everything. Cooper's Wear Square is their signature innovation, a visual indicator molded into the tread that shows you instantly how your tires are wearing, whether your alignment needs attention, whether a rotation is overdue, and whether your suspension has a problem developing. It is brilliantly simple and makes you wonder why every brand does not do this. The high silica compound stays flexible in freezing temperatures and strong in summer heat. I have seen Cooper tires roll in at 70,000 miles with sidewalls completely intact and only moderate tread wear, which at Cooper's price point is genuinely remarkable. Their 6-year warranty backs up everything they claim. For truck and SUV drivers who want real durability without overpaying, Cooper is a decision you will not regret. Number 9 consistently shocks people who actually research it. Yokohama. In the most recent J.D. Power Original Equipment Tire Satisfaction Survey, Yokohama ranked second in the entire passenger car segment. They beat Pirelli, Bridgestone, Continental, and Michelin. Second in the whole industry. And the secret behind that performance comes down to something that sounds almost too simple: orange oil. Yokohama discovered that orange oil improves the molecular bond between natural and synthetic rubber in a way that creates a compound simultaneously grippy and long-lasting, tacky without wearing out quickly, and critically, it stays soft and responsive even as temperatures drop toward freezing. Other manufacturers experimented with similar ideas, but nobody perfected it the way Yokohama did, and they could do it because decades of motorsports tire development gave them rubber science knowledge that most brands simply do not have. Their Advan flagship line is original equipment on Mercedes, Audi, BMW, and Porsche. Their more affordable Blue Earth range delivers quiet rides, impressive longevity, and fuel efficiency you genuinely do not expect at that price. You always get your money back with Yokohama. Number 8 goes back to American history and genuine legend. B.F. Goodrich, founded in Ohio in 1870, the oldest tire manufacturer in North America and the first American company to produce radial tires. Michelin acquired them because that heritage and racing DNA was worth protecting. Indy 500 victories, Paris-Dakar rally dominance, competition wins across dozens of categories. All of that knowledge flows directly into consumer tires. Their most impressive engineering shows up in the sidewall, which is the thinnest and most vulnerable part of any tire. In the KO2 line, BFG developed bruise-resistant sidewall rubber approaching nearly double standard sidewall thickness. Technology originally created for Baja desert racing where jagged rocks and brutal terrain destroy ordinary rubber without mercy. These tires also self-clean, actively ejecting mud, rocks, and debris from the tread to maintain traction when conditions get serious. The honest limitation is product range. BFG does not offer the broadest selection, but what they make exceptionally well. Number 7 is a global powerhouse that the wider driving world is still catching up to. Hankook, the 6th largest tire manufacturer on Earth, with over 80 years of focused investment in exactly two things: quality control and research and development. Consumer Reports rated Hankook as the best tire choice for electric vehicles in their most recent evaluation, outperforming Bridgestone, Continental, Pirelli, and other household names across most testing categories. BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, Tesla, Rivian, Volkswagen, Hyundai, and Kia all trust Hankook as original equipment, meaning these brands put their own reputations on Hankook rubber every single day. Their pricing runs nearly 60% below Michelin for genuinely comparable performance. That gap is extraordinary once you experience both tires back-to-back on real roads. Number 6 is a name you already know because you have watched it perform under the most demanding conditions in motorsport. Pirelli has been the exclusive Formula One tire supplier since 2011, and every breakthrough developed under those extreme race conditions filters down into the tires available for your car. Their smart polymer and nanocomposite technology creates rubber that literally adapts its behavior to what the tire is experiencing. Cruising at steady highway speed, the compound stays flexible and reduces rolling resistance to save fuel. Pushing hard into a corner with load building on the tire, the polymers stiffen to maximize grip and stability. It is adaptive technology built directly into the rubber itself. Their noise cancellation system and run-flat technology create a ride quality that feels almost unreal. The honest drawback is wear life on performance compounds, with some lines reaching around 30,000 miles despite premium pricing, which matters for high-mileage, everyday drivers. Number 5 is Bridgestone, and the conversation here is entirely about long-term value versus upfront cost. Bridgestone currently holds the highest prices for all-season SUV tires and performance winter tires, sitting above Michelin, Pirelli, and Goodyear. But their tread life warranties reaching 80,000 miles reframe the entire cost conversation. While you are buying your third set of cheaper tires, your Bridgestones are still performing. Their nanotech rubber innovation developed through Formula One and Le Mans racing manipulates molecular rubber structure based on driving conditions, delivering better grip, lower rolling resistance, and superior heat management in all weather. Their Drive Guard Run Flat system lets you drive up to 50 miles on completely flat tires while maintaining control that feels almost normal, which is something most run-flat tires fail to deliver. BMW, Volkswagen, Lamborghini, Mercedes-Benz, and Toyota chose Bridgestone as original equipment. That endorsement means everything. Number 4 surprises almost everyone who discovers it, and the fact that most drivers have never heard of it is genuinely one of the best-kept secrets in the tire industry. Vredestein from the Netherlands has been building tires for over 116 years, and instead of spending on advertising they invested in engineering centers, research facilities, and design partnerships with automotive legend Giorgetto Giugiaro. Consumer Reports ranked Vredestein third best tire brand for 2026 and gave all 7 tested models the recommended designation. Their Quatrack Pro and High-Track all-season lines earned top ratings from real drivers sharing real experiences, not manufacturer claims. Optimized sidewall designs reduce road noise and enhance comfort in ways that directly compete with brands charging significantly more. The only limitation is range, with narrower passenger vehicle options than the giants above them. Number 3 is Continental, and the single word defining everything about this brand is relentless. They are one of the largest tire manufacturers on Earth, and they still innovate at a pace that makes competitors dizzy. Consumer Reports ranked Continental second best tire brand for 2026. Their Terrain Contact earned Best All-Terrain Truck Tire and Best All-Season Truck Tire in the same evaluation. Conti Seal technology automatically seals punctures up to 5 mm while you keep driving without drama. Traction Plus delivers confident handling in sun, snow, and rain. Their rubber compound innovations deliver extraordinary mileage even on demanding terrain. Occasional consistency issues across their massive model range are the only real knock, an unavoidable consequence of producing at their scale. Number 2 is Goodyear, an American story built over more than a century of genuine excellence. Founded in 1898, Goodyear holds the record for most Formula One starts, wins, and Constructors' Championships of any tire supplier in history, and serves as the sole supplier for NASCAR today. In J.D. Power surveys, Goodyear ranked first in luxury segment satisfaction and first in passenger car satisfaction. Their use of DuPont Kevlar, the same material engineered to stop bullets, reinforces certain tire lines and delivers 35% better puncture resistance. Hydroplaning resistance and all-weather performance consistently rank among the industry's very best. Their ownership of Cooper and other value brands means their engineering philosophy is accessible at multiple price points. And number 1, the brand where every independent test, every real-world result, and every long-term experience points to the same inevitable conclusion. Michelin. Consumer Reports tested 8 Michelin models for 2026 and all 8 received the recommended badge. Every single one finished at or near the top of every category. Their EverGrip technology solves a problem every other manufacturer simply accepts: wet weather performance declining as tires wear. Michelin designed tires where grooves become more effective as wear progresses, maintaining water evacuation throughout the tire's entire life through high silica compounds and sunflower oil that keep rubber pliable even in 7-year-old tires. Their Defender line covers 80,000 miles and still outperforms fresh budget tires. The price is real, but drivers who try alternatives consistently return to Michelin because nothing else genuinely competes. Now pay close attention because these next 3 look like deals and behave like dangers. Fortune is a Chinese budget brand offering warranties they consistently refuse to honor, using rubber compounds that skip wet grip and snow testing entirely. Customers have reported 3 out of 4 tires failing within a single year. Fortune is cheap for specific reasons, and none of those reasons protect you. Accelera from Indonesia attracts buyers with low pricing that disappears completely the moment roads get wet. Drivers report loss of control at speeds that should be completely manageable. Warranties that look generous shrink dramatically in practice through regional restrictions designed to protect the company rather than you. And the worst of all 3, Firestone. The history of tread separation at highway speeds contributing to Ford Explorer rollovers, a recall of over 2.5 million tires while the company denied responsibility throughout the entire process, followed by manufacturing quality shifting between facilities and leaving buyers genuinely uncertain about what they are purchasing. At Firestone's current price point, that uncertainty is simply not acceptable when better proven options exist for similar money. Your tires are the only connection between your car and the road. Every braking decision, every steering input, every moment of control or loss of control flows through 4 contact patches roughly the size of your hand. What those patches are made of and which brand engineered them matters more than almost any other decision you make about your vehicle. You now have everything you need to walk into any tire shop and make an informed choice instead of guessing. If this video gave you something genuinely valuable, hit that like button right now so more drivers see this before they make a dangerous purchase. Share it with people you care about because they deserve tires that actually protect them. Subscribe because we dig into real car care information that dealerships and tire shops would rather keep quiet. And drop a comment telling me what country you are watching from and which tire brand you are running right now. Our community spans the entire world and I want to hear from every corner of it. Stay safe and drive with confidence.